What's the name of it?
It's kapusta.
What's kapuska?
Well, it's shredded cabbage with potatoes in it, boiled. And
Mhm.
you cook and the potatoes in there, and you juice them all up with seasoning and stuff, and you just eat it. And beat the potatoes in there with the cabbage, and they would chop up ham
Wow, sounds
and
good.
chop up and put the chopped up ham in there like that. I like it. It's good. People don't eat cabbage here like they should. It's an
Mhm.
excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants and everything else. I
Mhm.
like cabbage. That's why we got kapusta here. Now we got Grandma just made some a couple of
Oh,
days
really?
ago. Stuffed cabbage, yeah.
That's
We'll have
good.
it for dinner tomorrow. So I mean, there's those things that come up all the time in my mind,
Yeah.
eventually.